Welcome back, guys. We're gonna be doing a Lapsang Highball today. Gonna be similar to a Whiskey Highball as our mocktail today. Today we're gonna be using a Lapsang tea, maple syrup, some lemon juice, and topping it off with some soda water. As with all the ingredients today, can all be found in your local grocery store, and we'll leave the descriptions below. All right, guys, for today's ingredients, we're gonna add 2 ounces of our Lapsang tea. We're gonna add 1 full ounce of our maple syrup. You're gonna go ahead and want to boil that with a little bit of cinnamon, cloves, some allspice, kind of anything you want to kind of jazz it up a little bit. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Now we're gonna give that a good shake. All right, guys, to finish this off, we're just gonna grate some fresh nutmeg on top, little aromatics. The Lapsang Highball is a great mocktail that will be bright, refreshing, a little bubbly and effervescent. Great way to start your night.